Hey everyone, this is Chad Seneschal with Weeldi, and today I wanted to show you how to get text from the screen during an automation. So if there was a circumstance where you needed to pull text off the screen to use as a naming convention, to give to a customer to save internally, or to use as an input value, then you can do that by going to the menu bar at the bottom. Second one in from the left says Get Text. Go ahead and click that. It will have you name the category. So what text are you getting? You can use any name that you'd like. In this case, I'm going to grab the order amount for this exercise class, so I'll call it cost. If it was an input value, a variable that you would want to change for future jobs against this template, then click the input value button. In this case, I'll click OK. Like the other menu items that you've seen us use, this will highlight items around the screen to find out what you're intending to grab from the screen. So once you find the amount that you want, you can go ahead and click it, and it will identify that it has now extracted that text. It's labeled it cost, and it shows what's on the screen. At that point, it'll be available for you to use. So hope that helps. Happy automating.